How to send Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency from your Coinbase account to an external wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can send Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency from your Coinbase to an external wallet. So the first thing you want to do is simply open the Coinbase application on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Coinbase account. Now once you're logged in, on the bottom side of the screen you can see five different options where you'll have to tap on the third one, which looks like two arrows pointing away from each other. Now, since we are here to send crypto to another wallet, we'll tap on the option named send. After that, select the cryptocurrency you want to send. For now, we'll simply choose Bitcoin. After that, enter the amount you want to send. For now, we'll simply choose $10 worth of Bitcoin. And now, since we are not sending it to a friend and are sending it to an external wallet, we'll tap on the option not now. And now you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to enter the address where you want to send. So for this example, I'll simply copy my Cash App wallet address where I'll be sending my Bitcoin to. Now you can send this Bitcoin to any other wallet. So all you have to do is simply copy the Bitcoin wallet address of the place you are sending to. And once you've copied it, simply come back to the Coinbase app and then paste the wallet address over here. Now once you've done that, tap on the option preview send, and now you'll be able to view the entire details of your transaction, such as where you are sending to, what you are paying with, the Coinbase fee, and finally the network fee. Now, once you're okay with all of that, simply tap on the option send now, and there you have it. That is basically how you send Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency to an external wallet from your Coinbase account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.